Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner strength. Dig deep, Aquarius. I know that you guys are ready to rise like the phoenix out of the ashes, but keep on climbing out of that rut. Keep on climbing out of the ashes. Keep on moving out of the dark and keep moving towards the light, to your elevated self, your higher being, your highest thoughts. Have radical faith that your life is about to change, because it is. The more radical the faith that you have, the bigger the blessing. Do not limit your blessings, because what you ask for, you're going to get, plus more. But make sure that you put in the most radical request so you can enjoy the life that you truly want. Nothing moves me from my path to light, because I have complete confidence in myself. Dig deep. You're made of it. You have the strength to move forward and get ready for this new blessing. I realize that my innate qualities and abilities, and I know that with God I can do anything. All the power I need is within me. Your gifts are about to make a way for you. They're about to open up a rain of blessings for you. And I just want to say, I want to ask you, are you ready? But get ready to put in that work. Dig deep. The stronger you are, the bigger the blessing that you can maintain is going to come your way. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.